Okay, gonna do a quick video here on how to remove the shift knob on a Jeep Patriot Jeep Compass. First thing you do is put it in neutral. Throw the e-brake on so you don't roll back into reverse. Okay, then if you can see, there's a little gap right here between the shift knob and the little bezel here. So you got to get in there. Popped into park, but that's okay. Just gently pop that bezel down. We'll throw it back into neutral here real quick. Give me a second. You just grab it with your hand like that and just pull, and you got to pull pretty hard. It'll pop right out. And that's it. Thanks.